In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Samsung Wallet swipe up. First, let's begin by opening Samsung Wallet. Locate the app icon on your device's home screen or in the app drawer. It usually looks like a wallet or has a similar design. Once you find it, tap on the icon to launch the app. This action brings you to the main interface of Samsung Wallet, where you can manage all your payment methods, loyalty cards, and more. Opening the app is crucial because it's the starting point for any adjustments you want to make. Next, tap the menu icon. Depending on your version, this could be represented by 3 horizontal lines or 3 vertical dots. This icon is typically found in the top corner of the screen. Tapping on it will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. This step is important as it leads you to the settings where you can customize your experience with Samsung Wallet. From the menu, tap on Settings. This option is usually near the bottom of the drop-down list. By selecting it, you are taken to a dedicated screen where you can adjust various features of Samsung Wallet. Accessing the settings is essential because it allows you to personalize how you interact with the app, ensuring it meets your specific needs. Now, tap on Quick Access. This section allows you to configure how you access your wallet quickly. It's a vital feature for enhancing your efficiency when using the app. Quick access settings help streamline your experience, making it easier to use Samsung Wallet on the go. Next, tap on Swipe Up Gesture. This option is where you can manage the swipe up functionality, enabling you to access your wallet quickly and easily. Tapping on this will bring up a screen where you can see the options related to swipe gestures. Understanding this feature is crucial as it impacts how quickly you can access your wallet when you need it most. Now you will see options to turn on or off the swipe up gesture for various scenarios. You can enable or disable the feature for the lock screen, home screen, and when the screen is off. Each option determines when you can swipe up to access your wallet. This flexibility allows you to customize your experience based on your usage patterns. After that, if you want to adjust the appearance, you can optionally change the handle transparency with the slider. This slider lets you make the wallet handle more or less visible depending on your preference. Adjusting this setting can enhance your user experience by ensuring the app fits seamlessly with your device's design. Remember, while you can enable or disable where the swipe up shortcut works, you cannot reassign it to a different app or gesture within Samsung Wallet. This limitation is important to keep in mind as it ensures that your wallet's access remains straightforward and consistent. With that ready, you have successfully configured your Samsung Wallet swipe-up settings. By following these steps, you have tailored the app to fit your needs, allowing for a more efficient and personalized experience. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial.